and Gideon and Kaden.
What?
Calm down.
Oh, it's a flying disc. Wow, goldfish. What else is in there? Yay! What's that? Cookie dough. Your keys.
Your key.
Yeah, did you get a key back?
Shannon, so you're gonna see this video and be like, "Can I have my key?" You can't eat that.
That'll hurt your tummy.
This is the coolest wrapping ever. Wow, beef jerky, organic. Wow. Ooh, chocolate.
There you go.
And
Now
it's
you're
not
talking that
even
boy's
melted.
language.
And look, it's the endangered species kind. Holy mackerel, I think he got every chocolate bar on the shelf.
Josh, can you say thank you to your dad?
Thanks, Dad. Oh, here's your note, Josh. You know what that says? It says, I love you, Joshua.
Wow.
So cool.
Nobody. She said yes.
Josh, who is this from? Who got you this? It's from your dad? Yeah. It's for you? Your dad got it for you? Dang. Epic. Ew. Bison, uncured bacon and cranberry bar. Bison, bacon, and cranberry. Gluten free.
Everything's gluten free.
Can I look?
It's gluten free. Let's see what these shirts say. What is this word no you speak of? It says, I work out. Just kidding, I take naps.
Wow.
The funnest thing ever. Josh, you're gonna have some chocolate. Josh is like, I give up. I'm having chocolate.
It's like important stuff.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Okay, let me help you.
You need to make sure
Like
that
a
one is
Okay.
Wait, you need to check what kind it is before
Chocolate blueberry. Certified gluten free.
he starts passing it out.
Yeah, it's gluten free, so Gideon can have some.
Yeah.
The only thing he could eat today was the icy.
Josh, do you want to share with anybody else? Do you want to share with Tyler?
Cranberry bar.
Do you want to have some chocolate?
Wow.
Do you want to share with Tyler?
Epic.
wanna put
A
it back?
different animal. Okay.
Yeah, it's cookie dough.
On the back it says
There you go.
Candy
That's
cookie dough.
nice.
it says epic, a different animal.
Nice. How cool.
Very
Say,
interesting.
Josh, say thanks, Dad.
You got a call from Shane said, did you Skype? Did you call?
Thanks, Dad.
Say thank you, Dad, before.
He can't. He's got his